So looking at number 1 in the first whole group, we're looking for the perimeter and area of these regular polygons. So I already know that they're regular. And I've got the radius right here. Now this is a triangle. It's equilateral triangle. So that means this whole angle is 60. So this is 30 and this is 60. That means if this is 8, this is the hypotenuse, the short leg is going to be 4 and the long leg is 4 square root of 3. Since this part is 4 square root of 3, the whole thing here is going to be 8 square root of 3. The perimeter then is going to be 3 sides of 8 root 3, which is 24 root 3. The area is 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem, or 1/2 24 root 3 times the apothem. The apothem is 4. And so that area is 48 root 3. Looking at number 2, we again have an equilateral triangle. And this angle is, or this triangle is going to be a 30, 60, 90. I know the whole thing is 2 root 3. So this is root 3 and this is root 3. Well, that's the side opposite 60 is root 3. So the short leg opposite 30, that's going to be 1. And the radius is going to be 2. The perimeter then, I keep writing it that way, perimeter is 3 of that side, which is 6 root 3. The area is 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem, or 1/2 6 root 3 times 1, which is 3 root 3. Number 4, this is a square because it's a regular polygon. So this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. If the hypotenuse is 5, those two sides are 5, which means the whole side is 10. The perimeter then is 4 sides of 10, which is 40. And the area, well, let's be smart here. The area is going to be 10 times 10 because it's a square. So the area is going to be 100. Number 4. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a hexagon, and you'll perhaps recall this angle is 120. So this little tiny angle right here is 60, and this one is 30. It's really hard for me to write that in there. So this one's 30. So the hypotenuse is 8, so this side's going to be 4, and this side's going to be 4 root 3. If that's 4, the whole side there is going to be 8. So the perimeter is going to be 6 sides that are 8 each. And the area is going to be 1/2 the perimeter times apothem equals 1/2 48 times the apothem, which is 4 root 3. So half of 48 is 24 times 4. That's 96 root 3. Number 5, I again have a hexagon. And so this triangle is again a 30 up here, 60, 90. My long side now, or my long leg is now 6. So this shorter leg right here is going to be 6 over the square root of 3. So 6 over the square root of 3 rationalized is 6 square root of 3 over 3, or 2 square root of 3. Well, that means a whole part here is going to be 4 square root of 3. So my perimeter is 6 sides of 4 square root 3, or 24 square root 3. The area is going to be 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem, or 1/2 24 root 3 times the apothem, which is 6. So that's half of 24 is 12. 12 times 6 is 72 root 3. And finally, the last one on this page, number 6, is a square. This is a 45, 45, 90. So if this is 4, this side is going to be 4, which means this whole side is 8, which means the perimeter is 4 sides of 8. And the area is 8 times 8, because it's base times height, 8 times 8, which is 64. All of these should probably have units. Area, of course, is in square units, and the regular perimeter is just in the regular units.